This is 3 out of 3 over breeze green ceiling fan a moment. This is the beat up one. This fan used to didn't buzz, but you know it's now buzzing. Already did a video of the other two, that one without the light and that is not beat up, and this one with the light that's not beat up. So this is the last one that's beat up, so that's low speed, has only one globe and one bulb. With kinks here. And you can see it has a broken blade, and it's very loud just like the other two. It has bent blades, severely bent blades, and a broken blade. So yeah, turn it on medium. Yeah, it doesn't go that, it's not that loud on low, and it doesn't go very fast on low. This is medium. It's not wobbling, surprisingly, even with those blades. So yeah, that's enough of medium. Now I'm gonna put it on high. Oops, sorry. Okay, so here's high. It's still not wobbling, surprisingly, even though this fan's really loud just like the other two. Yeah, it's still not wobbling on high, surprisingly, because broken blades here. I'll see you later. Bye.